Hi, Camille. Took a look at your scan. This is the second scan for the fall here. So, first scan was September 16th, and this is compared to October 13th. So, not quite 4 weeks, and a lot of good stuff here. So, let me just go over these numbers with you. So, you put on 0.7 pounds of total body water, which is not significant at all. And you put on 0.5 pounds of dry lean mass, which is muscle cells. So your lean body mass increased 1.1 pounds. And you lost 3.9 pounds of body fat, which is really, 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 really good in this amount of time. So your net loss is 2.8 pounds. Okay, so you lost 2.8 pounds. You put on 0.6 pounds of skeletal muscle mass, which is your bones and muscles together, and lost 3.9 pounds of body fat, which is awesome. So continuing on, you lost 2% of your body fat, which is great. Went from 42.3% down to 40.3%. And you had 55.1 pounds of body fat, and now it's 51.2. So really good job with the fat loss. I mean, not that you obviously can control it like that, but just know that it's happening, which means that your food is, what you're doing with food right now is working, okay? Also, you increase muscle cells. And so you put on, so like if you take a look at, in September, see how none of these numbers here are above 100%, which means you cannot support 100% of your body weight with any of those limbs and trunk, and now you can, which is awesome. So you see your right arm, you gained 0.11 pounds of muscle, and you increased your ability to support your body weight by 3.8%. So that's now over 100% with your right arm. So you can support 100.9% of your body weight with your right arm when it was 97%. So that's significant. Left arm is, you increased it 3%. So yeah, it's not over 100, but it's 99.1, super close. And it was 96.1. So that's great. And then your core is, you increased it 2.2%. So you're over 100% with your core, which is great. Your trunk. And then your legs increased strength as well. Significant, 0.38 pounds in your right leg, so you increase your ability to support your body weight by 3.6%. And then your left leg was almost a half a pound of muscle gain in your left leg alone. And you increase your ability to support your body weight by 4%. Okay, so this is now in the 80%, and it was in the 70s, as you can see there. So that's awesome. This muscle gain for you is tremendous. I'm super, super happy about this. Okay? It's not like you gain like a significant amount of muscle, but by losing some weight, losing some body fat, your muscle is able to support more of your body weight. Okay, now the recommendation was for you to lose 32.6 pounds of body fat, and now that's down to 28.7 pounds of body fat. So it's less 3.9 pounds, which is great. And this is just showing you where you're losing your fat from. So you lost a half a pound of fat off of each arm, which is great. You lost almost 2 full pounds of fat, 1.9 pounds of fat off of your trunk, and then 0.4 and 0.4, so almost a half a pound off of each leg as well. And one thing that I'm really loving seeing is this right here, your visceral fat levels, that's that internal dangerous fat, dropped 2 levels. And anything 10 or below is what we want. So you were at 14, 4 weeks ago, and now it's at 12, which is significant. So this is a really good scan. So what you're doing with your food and obviously with your exercise is great. And actually, body weight, this was the lowest of your body weight of any scan that you had. So good stuff here, Camille. Super proud of you. Let's keep it going. Let me know if you have questions.